Right, so the first thing we want to do is, you'll see I've transferred my letters to the front, obviously, of my design. So here's the main thing to remember when you do writing on your metal, is you want to always transfer the letters to the front and then work them from the back. Because if you just start free writing from the back let's say you want to do some low relief writing, when you flip it over, it'll be in reverse. Okay, so I'm going to show you. Let's say I'm just going to use a scrap piece of metal quickly. So let's say I just start writing the word love, but I want the letters to be raised from the other side. When I flip it over, that's what happens, right? So you always want to make sure that you've transferred your writing to the front, so that you know when you work it from the back in reverse, at the end you'll have the low relief writing standing up. Okay, so I'm going to explain to you, or just show you quickly. So again, I've transferred my writing to the front, and now I want to raise the letters from the back. So I'll just do the first one or two. Okay, so you can see it's starting to come out nicely. And so then what I want to do is just take my little paper pencil again on my hard surface and just sort of flatten it out in general around my letters, so that I can really get in there with my embossing tool and just define them properly. Okay, so you literally just go around your letters, again with the ease, especially starting from the center, so that you can make sure that your metal stretches evenly and that your letters are nice and sharp. Okay, so there we go. All right, so I'll be back in another video in a few seconds.